In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up VAT in QuickBooks and generate VAT reports. To get started, open QuickBooks and sign into your account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Taxes. This is the area where QuickBooks helps you manage tax settings, track what you owe, and review your tax activity. From the Taxes section, click Set Up Tax. QuickBooks will open the tax setup process for you. Take a moment to review the information shown on screen, then click Next to begin the setup wizard. This part is important because it lays the foundation for how VAT will be tracked in your business going forward. Next, enter your VAT details carefully. You'll need to select your tax agency, choose the start of your tax period, set your filing frequency, and pick your reporting method, either accrual or cash. Make sure these settings match the way your business is registered and how you normally report VAT, because these choices affect your reporting accuracy. After that, type in your tax identification number, or TIN, in the required field. Double-check it before moving on so your tax setup stays accurate and complete. When everything looks correct, click Next to continue. QuickBooks will then show you the VAT codes it creates automatically. Review these codes carefully. In many cases, the default codes are enough, but if your business needs something more specific, you can choose to set up tax codes manually instead. Once you're happy with the setup, finish the process and save your tax settings. With VAT now enabled, the next step is to apply the correct VAT code when recording transactions. As you create invoices, sales receipts, bills, and expenses, make sure you choose the appropriate VAT code for each one. This is what allows QuickBooks to calculate VAT properly and include the right figures in your reports later. When you're ready to check your VAT reporting, go back to Taxes from the left menu. Open the available VAT or sales tax reports, depending on what appears in your version of QuickBooks. Then select the reporting period you want to review. This helps you focus on the exact filing window you need. Now review the report details carefully. Pay attention to VAT collected on sales, VAT paid on purchases, and the final VAT payable amount. These figures help you understand what you owe and how your tax position looks for that period. If you need to keep a copy for filing, sharing, or record keeping, use the export or print option to save the report in the format you prefer. Thanks for watching.